Okay. Hi. Very good evening, friends. And today we have a different speaker, and she'll be addressing all of us on a unique topic about training. So she'll be talking to all for the next half an hour, 40 minutes. Interact with her, ask as many questions as possible. She is the one who took my interview. So many of you must have seen on YouTube. So you saw how many questions she has asked us. I mean, especially she asked me. Now it's your turn. You can you know just take your time and then take it up. I'll be available on the session. I'll also ping in between because I'm parallelly on three different things now, traveling in multiple boats. I don't have choice now. So it's over to you, Sangeeta. Welcome to 21st Century Speaker Series. And hey, hi, Ajvi. And that's all from my side. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Thank you, sir, and thank you everybody for joining this session. And I'm very glad that in this session I promise you that this will be an interactive session, and also there is some learning that you take home after this session. So everybody is ready? Hello?
Yes, everyone is ready.
So I wanted this session to be very interactive. Please cooperate, and you can unmute yourself and talk whenever it is needed, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay. I know it is very difficult with the starting of the session. So let's play a game. Are you ready for an activity? A small activity. It does not need any knowledge for this. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Yeah, we are ready, ma'am.
Yes. So I have a ball in my hand. Imagine it's a virtual volleyball that we are going to play. I am going to pick a random name from the participants. Okay. And I'm going to throw this volleyball. And that person has to catch this ball and select some random name from the participants and throw that ball to the other. Okay? Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And so this activity will lead to how active you are listening. And the second thing, how proactive you are. Okay? Let's start. Come on, guys, respond. At least through chat, you respond yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Okay. I'm throwing this ball to Pratyusha. Pratyusha, are you there?
Yes, hi. I'm Ratyusha.
Yeah, Pratyusha, you can throw the ball to someone else.
Yeah, give me some time to select Bharat. Bharat Reddy.
So, Bharat, it's your turn. Bharat, are you there?
Guys, be interactive. It's not a one-sided game.
Yes. Come on, guys. We wanted to be the future trainers and speakers. So it is not trainer-centered. It should be a learner-centered as well. So we should be more interactive as well. So, Bharat, are you there? So, Pratyusha, throw it on some other participant.
Yeah, fine. Pavani? It's Pavani.
Pavani, your turn.
I think she's also not available.
You should select a participant who is there right now in the session.
Yeah,
Okay.
there is one person, Sai Lokesh. Sai Lokesh.
Sai Lokesh. It seems people are just logged in and they are not listening to the class. Is it so?
He texted something.
Okay, he texted to Pavani.
Let's say, hi, madam.
Hi, Pavani.
Hi, madam. This is
The
Pavani.
ball is in your hand. Throw the ball to someone else in the participants. You should be very quick. Come on, guys. Okay, let's stop this activity. Let's start the session. Hello.
Yes, tell the names. Pavani, tell the name.
Sir, చెప్పండి. Hello, sir.
హలో పావని.
మేడం చెప్పండి మేడం.
ఓకే, తెలుగు అయితే మీరు ఎవరి మీదైనా బాల్ విసిరొచ్చు. ఏదైనా నేమ్ చెప్పండి, పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ లో ఉన్న నేమ్ చెప్పి మీరు బాల్ వేయాలి.
ఓకే మేడం చెప్తాను. కరిష్మా మేడం.
కరిష్మా, ఆర్ యు దేర్?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Karishma. I will throw the ball to Ramya.
Ramya, quick.
Karthik sir, ma'am.
Karthik sir. Karthik sir is busy on the other.
Okay,
I
Supraja
don't know
Subbu
English.
Chaudhary,
I
ma'am.
don't-
Okay, okay.
I throw it on Navya, ma'am.
Navya. Okay. Navya is done, right? She's not. Okay. So the last ball. Navya, throw it on somebody else. Hello.
May I get a clarity what is happening?
So it is a virtual volleyball game that we are playing. I'm throwing a ball to a participant in the class. So this activity is all about how good they are listening to and how proactive they are. So they have to take the ball and throw it on somebody else who is there in the participants. So let's stop the game. Huh?
Yeah.
No,
Testing
because-
of activeness. Sir, testing of activeness is Karthik. Very good idea, ma. Great idea, Sangeeta.
Thank you, sir.
She is my next competitor.
Abba, sir.
Of course.
Okay, continue the game.
So let's stop the game and let's get into the session today. Right? So everybody is comfortable with English, or you want me to speak in Telugu?
No, we are comfortable with English, ma'am.
English, ma'am.
English, right? Okay.
English, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, done. Thanks for your active participation in the activity. I hope next time when I come, it would be more interactive in the activity. So let's start. So we are here because we wanted to become trainers, right? So why do we want to become trainers? What is that? What do you feel why you want to become a trainer? Somebody can answer this question. Come on. Anybody can answer.
No, I'm not there. Answer.
Can you repeat the question once?
Why do you want to become a trainer?
To train students and motivate others.
Excellent, Ramya. Good. Anybody else?
To share our ideas and to motivate others.
Very good, Karishma. So S, as you all said, it is all about you want to develop somebody, you want to motivate someone, you want to help somebody and guide their future. And also you want it by training, you also provide yourself a self-improvement, right? There is overall development in yourself, right? So where you communicate, where you develop yourself in communication, and you also inspire people, you boost your confidence, and you also feel that the training is something that it has a quality profession. See, training, you can be your own trainer and you need not depend on somebody, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me share you a small story on Helen Keller. Anybody knows the story of Helen Keller? Helen Keller.
No, ma'am. Sorry.
It's okay. I'll tell you the story of Helen Keller. She was a small baby who was born very healthy. But unfortunately, at 19 months of her birth, she has been blind and deaf. I think you got her. We have read in our textbooks, Helen Keller.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. In English
Yes?
textbook.
Yes, exactly. She was a girl with deaf and blind. She couldn't read anything. She couldn't write anything. The parents were very much worried about her. So they appointed a professional trainer to train her so that she can learn something and become something good in her future. But for a trainer, it is difficult, right? When she is blind and deaf, it is very difficult for a trainer to train her, isn't it? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So what happened? this trainer's name was Annie Sullivan. So she used to teach her with the help of touch. And then the Helen Keller has mastered. She has graduated. She has learned to write and read. So she had an overall development with the help of the trainer. So now you understand how important is a trainer in your life. He is a person who shows you, who guides you in every path of your life, right? So Helen Keller's story did not stop there when she finished her education. See, she also became a trainer. She wanted to explain what are the struggles she had. She wanted to explain her experience. So she was a person who used to give speeches. I have to tell you the biggest good thing about Helen Keller was she couldn't see the audience. She was blind, right? She couldn't hear the appreciation, somebody appreciating her. She was deaf, but still she had contributed her experience in making others' life beautiful. So beautiful, na?
Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమవుతుందా తెలుగులో చెప్పమంటారా?
Moment you can speak in English itself.
Okay. Okay.
Sangeeta, the challenge is we have people from Kerala also.
Okay. Because I don't hear any responses, I feel like if they're understanding or not. So,
I say hello, hi in between.
okay. Thank you. So you have understood the story, right? Hello, guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is who is great, the Helen Keller or her trainer?
The trainer is
Trainer.
great.
The trainer.
Both are great according to me, because it was Helen Keller's contribution as well to learn. She was also interested in learning, right? And it is
Yes,
also the patience, the confidence that the trainer had in order to train the Helen Keller. So from this story, we have to take the qualities of Helen Keller and her trainer, Alice Sullivan. Do you all agree with me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
no?
We'll give
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes. So what according to is the best quality that the trainer has according to the Helen Keller story? Anybody can respond on this. So what are the qualities that you saw? Best quality.
It's confidence, ma'am.
Confidence, yes, true. Next, any other answer?
Interest on learning.
Yes, it's interest on learning. Next, anybody? So many qualities. Anybody can answer any kind of quality. See, it might be right, wrong. So when we
Showing
interact
interest
on,
on
exactly, yes. Next, hello.
Her
Showing
patience
interest,
and
ma'am.
her willpower.
Yes. Her patience, her confidence, her contribution in learning. See, one of the most important quality that a trainer should have is that he should be always a learner. He shouldn't stop learning. He should always continuously learn. He shouldn't stop learning. The second important quality that a trainer should have is passion. Without passion, without any interest, you can't be a trainer. Only when you have that passion, you get into this profession called trainer. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am. We'll agree.
Yes, ma'am.
The next thing is a trainer should be a people's person. See, if I'm going to talk whatever I want, I have did this, I have did that. Do you all feel interested? No, right?
No, ma'am. We'll not keep interest. I
Yes.
mean, I will not show interest.
Yes, we are showing interest because we want to become trainers and we wanted to learn something. So only I am understanding your point of view and then I'm teaching, right? So a trainer's qualities are a good communication. See, communication is not just a language. It can be English, it can be Hindi, it can be any language. The way you communicate, the way you respond, the way of your body texture, the postures that you give is more important. The confidence that you develop in yourself is more important for it is one of the most important quality that a trainer has. I'll tell you one more story. It is how open you should be in learning. It is a continuous process of learning. See, a trainer has to learn. He has to update his knowledge everywhere. It is not that you stop once you become a successful trainer. You have to continuously study. For example, if we take, do you all know the company Kodak? Guys, are you all there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you all know the company named Kodak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you all see that company now? There is no Kodak company right now. We don't hear Kodak, right? But once it was
Famous.
it was very famous, right? Kodak was famous because it was available for all the people during that time where everybody were interested to take photos. But the thing is, it did not adapt to the change. It did not go to the digital technology. People think Kodak did not do a research, but you know, Kodak has done the research. It has all the funds to create the digital technology, but it did not do because it does not want to fall for its margin where it used to sell the films. So they did not go to the digital technology. So this was the reason they did not go for the digital technology, because they don't want to fall for their sales in the films. Understand? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Sangeeta,
Huh?
now you are the host. Keep watching. Someone might join. Just say admit, admit.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I made you as a host.
Okay, thank you. So the next thing that a quality of a trainer must be, he must be very curious. The curiosity of the trainer is, where do you hear this word curiosity? Anybody can answer this question? Curiosity. Hello friends, can you answer? Where do you find this curiosity?
When we get interested more.
When we get interested, and we usually see this in children, very small kids. We see they are very curious in knowing things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you should also be very curious in learning. Curiosity. I'll tell you another story of Stephen Jobs. Everybody knows Stephen Jobs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Stephen Jobs, once he wanted to learn something new. So he learned this calligraphy, the handwriting. It was not having any use, but he wanted to learn of his own interest. So he started learning without having any output on, without having anything that would come in future. But that was helpful for him when he did this Mac work of software. So when you learn something, it will be useful for you at some point of the other in your future. So keep learning. So these are the qualities that a trainer should possess. The qualities like good communication, people's person. You should be the people's person, and you should have the passion to become a trainer. You should be having that contribution and determination of learning. You should be ready to learn every time. Okay? So you understood the qualities of trainer. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear, na? So
Yes,
now tell
ma'am.
me, when you are going for a holiday, you have planned some holiday trip. So what do you do the first thing?
We will have a certain plan according to our
Yes.
budget.
Yes, we'll have a plan. And we'll have a plan saying that there shouldn't be a newspaper for 4 days. No milk for 4 days. We plan in such a way that nobody, we are not staying at house, so we shouldn't waste anything. So we plan accordingly. We say people that we are not staying here, right? So
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
same way, you have to plan your journey in the training as well. You understood? You have to visualize. Every day you have to think yourself that you are in an auditorium where there are thousands of people and you're speaking. Visualize that in your mind when you're meditating, and for sure this visualization will help you to reach that goal one day, for sure. Keep visualizing this every day when you meditate, and this will happen for sure. That is the power of visualization. And now let's look at the dimensions of the trainer. There are 4 dimensions of trainer that we have to keep in mind if you wanted to become a trainer. The first one is source of inspiration. Where do you get the inspiration from? Come on, answer. Where do you get the inspiration from?
From our
From our
parents.
elders.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. I thought somebody would say from Google, from quotes. No, it is from our surroundings, right? It can be from our grandmother, it can be from
From
our
gurus.
parents, it can be from our surroundings itself. The inspiration comes from our own stories, our own experiences as well, right? So the first one is the inspiration. How you can inspire others is the first point. The second point is from where do you get the information? So if you want to become a trainer and you have to design a session, so from where do you get the information?
From our elders one.
Okay.
And
Most
we'll
of the
checking the
time,
social media.
yes. Most of the time we go for the Google, internet sources. But I will say you, prepare an original content with your own experiences, own design of what you have learned in your life. That will be the original content that you do not copy from others. And tell some, you have to entertain the people. Nobody is going to listen to your lecture for long hours, right? There should be some stories, there should be some entertainment, there should be some activities that you engage people in listening to you. So we have completed the inspiration, information, entertainment. The next one is transformation. A trainer is very much important when he transforms the life of the persons, right? When he's transforming the life of a person, it becomes more important for a person who has been transformed. So we know we have many presidents of India. There were around 14 presidents in our country. Everybody remember the names? No, right? You only remember the people who have transformed our life, who have transformed our country. So what is that one name comes into your mind when you hear the presidents of India? Hello? Hello? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
Ramya? So my question is, what is that first name that comes into your mind when you listen? Who comes in your mind first when you hear about the presidents of India? What is that one name comes into your mind?
Sarojini Naidu.
She was the president of India? I don't think no. She was the governor of some state. I'm asking the presidents of India.
Okay.
One name. The one
APJ
name that
Abdul
comes.
Kalam.
Yes, exactly. There are many presidents. There are around 14 presidents who have successfully did their 5 years of term. But we remember Abdul Kalam just because the transformation that he brought in our lives. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So there are the 4 dimensions that you have to remember when you are training people. The 4 qualities or the 4 dimensions are the inspiration, information, entertainment, and the transformation. So how do you transform people? The first thing you have to remember when you are transforming, it is the self-transformation. You have to transform yourself first, and then you can transform others. Then you can transform the lives of other people when you train. So you have to introspect yourself, like what actually is me. So what I am, what is my life, what is my experience. So what is that struggles that I have come out of. See, everybody is going to have some struggles in their life. So what is that you have, what is that step that you have taken to come out of that struggle. So this can be the content for your training as well, isn't it? Yes or no? Friends, are you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
there?
Yes, we are there, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's come to the most excited part, that is opportunities. So we want to become trainers because we have a lot of opportunities in this industry of training. So this is the most happening profession that I can say, that is training and coaching. So everybody, even in this pandemic situation of Corona, we are still studying or learning something. It's just because of the content or the net or whatever we have. It's just because we wanted that opportunity in our hands. So you can have a career in L&D, that is learning and development, the first option you have. The second thing, you can start your freelancing as a trainer, where you can have your flexible times, where you can have your own appointments, as a trainer, where you can earn a lot of money as well. And the second thing, you can become a full-time freelancer of a trainer, where you can start your own training centers. And the next thing, you can also be a public, you can also start public workshops. You can also have online trainings, like, now we are having a live session. You can also have a recorded session of online trainings, and you also have training centers that you can create. So it is all a self-centered development that you can have. So there is no boss. You can be your own boss. So this is a profession where you can create your own journey for yourself. And so what are the focus points that you have to remember when you want to become and develop yourself as a trainer? First thing, every day talk to yourself for 10 minutes, the self-worth talk. Talk what you are, talk what you can be. So talk to yourself, it is not to somebody else. And learn not to criticize others. Learn to smile. And next thing, have a continuous learning. And you need not give 100 messages for the students. You can give one message from your experience. That is more than enough. That is the original content that you can bring from among yourself. And you have to also have, so to have a mark on yourself, you should be more thorough on how you can sell, how you can market yourself as a trainer. And next thing is that you can create yourself and celebrate the stage of being the trainer. So this is what I wanted to deliver today. I hope you understood. And these are the important points that you have to remember as a trainer. So this is what I really wanted to share, the insights that how you can, what are the qualities that you can have, what are the dimensions that you have to look at when you are doing training, and how you can transform yourself, and what are the opportunities that you can have in this training sessions. So that's all. Guys, did you like the session where you were bored or what? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what I wanted to say. So did you all understand? Are you do you have any doubts regarding this session? Acha, you were expecting something more. Okay. So what is that you were expecting something more, so that we can cover in the next session if it is needed? Hello?
Students speak out. Students try to speak out, ma.
Sorry?
Roles of trainer.
Hello, sir?
అప్పటికో బోర్డా
Hello, students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Can you all respond?
Ma'am.
So any questions that you have? Hello? Can you all unmute yourself and ask the questions?
Sangeeta, very good evening. Very nice talk, ma. Giridhar.
Ha, sir. Same
Sorry.
sir. Get this, sir.
Yes, Sangeeta, can you tell me who is a successful trainer? How can we identify successful? I mean, what are the steps? What are the important qualities for a successful trainer? I mean, like confidence. Confidence is good. I think you told about confidence and
Yes,
motivation.
sir. It is,
motivation.
yes.
Yeah, successful trainer, and an ordinary trainer. You know,
So
differentiate.
successful trainer will always continuously learn. He will update himself. That will lead him to the success. He has to give his contribution, the determination that should have. So trainer should have, most importantly, two things: his contribution and his determination to be, and he should be learning continuously, sir. Only then he can be successful.
Thank you, students.
I think being a successful trainer, you also need to understand the different learning styles of your participants
Yes.
so that you can deliver it in a proper way. Even
Yes.
delivery plays a big role here.
Yes. Being a trainer, you should also be a good listener. Only when you listen, you can give what they are really expecting from you. So, any other questions?
How would you handle an employee who doesn't think your training session is necessary?
Sorry.
How would you handle that employee or a person who thinks like your training session is not necessary?
I do not get your question. Come again. How do I?
How would you? How would you think? How would you think that?
How would you think? How would I think?
If
Somebody is disturbing you a lot.
yeah, my brother. See, and mommy. Yeah.
So what is your question?
How would you handle an employee who thinks that your training session is not necessary? Employer person. Can you hear me?
Yeah. I could hear your brother more than you.
How would you handle a situation where your friend or anyone thinks like your training session is not necessary? How would you handle that situation?
See, it is if you are interested in listening, you would automatically be there. See, I need not force you to stick here and make you sit. If you're really interested, then you can listen to it.
No. How would you, if you are a trainer, then if someone comes to you by force, you don't know, na? He's forced or you don't know anything about him. How would you handle the situation?
So it is how connected you are with that person, and that is how you have to design the design structure of your session should be in such a way that you attract the students, where you have some activities where you entertain them and also make them learn what you really want to deliver as well in a different style. See, I need not say some stories. I took some real examples, so because not everybody is interested in listening the theory, but everybody is interested in the stories.
Can you tell me the difference between a trainer, faculty, and a speaker?
Okay. So trainer is a person who gives his perception. He might be right or he may not be right. It is his opinion that he is giving. Whereas a faculty or a teacher is a person who delivers the knowledge. If a teacher says that there are 3 laws in Newton's law, it is the knowledge that he is providing. I cannot argue with my teacher. It is the standard knowledge that he is providing. Whereas when it comes to a speaker or a trainer, he is a person that he delivers his opinion. It is not necessary that you agree with his opinions.
I would say that speaker is occasionally speaks to a given batch. Teacher, in the context of the schools, colleges, and universities, I just say he imparts knowledge.
Yes, sir.
A trainer, in my opinion, trains in a particular skill.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
What is the activity? What is the designation? Most of the words we use just like that.
Yes, sir.
Like you, I am also a faculty, guest faculty, or a freelance faculty. Occasionally go here and there, offline or online. I cannot call myself a trainer.
Okay.
I could be a guest speaker. Trainer is one who deals with a particular batch of trainees for a given length of time, say a week or 15 days, and makes them perfect in a given skill.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Knowingly or unknowingly, we just tag whatever designation we like to tag. I am just sharing my opinion. I was not
yes, sir,
there
I
in
totally agree. Yes,
the
sir.
session right from the beginning. I came at the end only. This is how I look at.
Sure, sir. It is, yes, it is true according to you also. I agree with you, sir.
Thank you.
So I just started. This is my very first session that I'm doing, sir.
No, 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 no. What the people say you are doing well. That is not the thing. I am just sharing my opinion. I am not going beyond that. Just to expressing my viewpoint. That's it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, Sangeeta, just for your information, you said this is your first training, and to tell you, yes, it was very good, this being your first session. So all the best. I wish you more, and you could be successful. All the best for you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Diana, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So it's a questions time.
I've done with some questions. If there are any, I am ready.
Okay, sir. Ramon sir, namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Sir, you can call me Karthik, please.
కార్తికేయ గారు పాయింట్ ఏమంటే మనం చిన్నవాళ్ళని పెద్దవాళ్ళని అందరినీ సార్ అనేస్తే ఇంకా మనము డిస్ప్యూట్ కానీ గొడవకు కానీ ఎటువంటి ఆస్కారాన్ని వదలకుండా ఉంటామని అది ఒక అలవాటు అయిపోయింది నాకు.
అవును సార్, నేను ఐ కాల్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్సో సార్. నేను మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నా మళ్ళీ వద్దని.
ఇంకో పాయింట్ ఉంది, అడల్ట్స్ అంటే లీగల్ గా టెక్నికల్ గా 18 దాటిన వాళ్ళంతా ఈక్వల్సే ఫర్ సర్టన్ సొసైటల్ మర్యాద ఇచ్చి పూసుకోవడానికి. మనకి వచ్చే నష్టమే లేదు కదా సార్ అంటే.
So basically we have Sangeeta today who actually spoke wonderful, and the second thing is her ambition wants to be a trainer, I know that, and she took my first interview, and the type of questions she asked me, you saw it on live YouTube. I mean, it was on YouTube channel, and I was actually asking her to conduct a series of 3 or 4 more interviews, which will be for 5-6 minutes. I'm not sure when she will give an appointment for this. And that's one thing. And second thing is sooner or later, she's now preparing for bank exams. But going forward, if she's willing, like even if I'm not there, many of the sessions will be hosted by Sangeeta. So she'll be taking the leadership as long as she's okay with it. I mean, this is again a proposal. Once approval comes, then we'll look into it. Now I have a strong team with Giridhar Garu, Bharat, and Supraja, Pavani, and all these people. And Manaki, the most respectable, we have Ramon sir. He's also there. And now you are there. Now it's a tag team. We are coming up with detailed proposals. Sir, Ramon sir, we are planning to start a 21st century association to bring up budding speakers. Till now, we were doing it on a normal basis. So now I wanted to start it as an association. We are planning to have a nominal fee of 199 rupees per year for a student. And whatever the funds we will collect, we'll transparently keep it, and it will be reused for the student development, sir, for all the learners and development. So that transparency and dashboard we'll be maintaining. So this is what I thought and decided. We'll have a discussion later on this. But thank you very much, Sangeeta. Any other questions to Sangeeta? Any other discussion? I came in the climax.
Karthikeyanji, I would just like to add here.
Yes, please.
If you're doing something for students, I would be like and happy to participate and take some programs on employability skills as well.
Sure, madam. Sure, madam.
So please get in touch with me. I think I know you. We have already chatted on WhatsApp before.
You can just drop in a message again, WhatsApp, madam. I'll get in touch and we'll plan your session as early as possible.
No worries.
So we are not going to start with one person one time.
Yes.
Even I'm waiting for Ramon sir's date also.
So right now we actually also conduct for budding trainers. We are conducting a TTT program for budding trainers who are freshers and who are willing to be trainers. So in case if you want to be a part of it, you can always join, or anyone else. Sure. It's a free program.
You can share the details. We'll be a part of it. Even
sure. We have already done around 18 batches, and
fantastic.
So it is a success. I would request you all to please join.
Sure,
ma'am.
So coaching or training is a wonderful art. It all deals about how you talk to people, how you express the things, how you actually make someone to stick to you or stay with you. That's how it is. The art of speaking, the art of communicating, the art of making people to be with you. That's how it is important. And we have a very good team of seniors who are guiding us, who have been with us since many days. And I'm very proud to say from Path Association, whatever the message I forward, even after the session started, I again sent a message, and I know Rammohan sir will definitely respond. So again, thanks sir. And Bharat is here, everyone. So I would like to go hand in hand, help each other, and whatever I can. I don't say that I have a big target, but today she has come up with a training concept because I already spoke to her a number of times about training, and I know what is her passion towards the training. So, and she took a couple of my interviews, and then I know her version now. And we are looking forward to have more people like this who can really help us to do all these things better. Right? So that's all from my side. Any other discussions or inputs you guys can carry on. Bharat, please.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta ma'am. It's a wonderful session for a lot of people who want to become speakers.
Thank you, Bharat.
Thank you so much. I'm seeing many messages and the people are also not speaking out. I know one thing, they are having much fear how to speak and all. They are hiding behind them. Just I will say one suggestion. Don't think that whether you asking the right question or wrong question, does none of the matter. Just speak what you want to say, what you're having doubt. The same question, having the doubt with the same other person also. They will not reply. If you reply it, you can clear it out. You will be happy. The other person will suffer because he is not asking the question, he is not clarifying the doubt. At last, he will be the failure. And the person who is asking the question, he will be the success. There are many things you have to combine. You have to check whether it is positive or negative. You need to think what you are speaking, how the audience will accept my topic or not. For example, day before yesterday, Karthik sir, day before yesterday, I think so I have conducted one webinar, right, on certifications and certificates, right?
Right, Bharat.
Yeah. Even so many people are asking what is the difference, why we have to be trained for certification programs and all. We have said, even Karthik sir also said many things, but also they are not coming out because they are having that much fear in their heart. If they clear it out, definitely they can come out with the new topics rather than we speak commonly each and everything. Even we are trying our college, I mean our Western college also, they will come with new topics. The one girl is ready. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow she will come. The topic will be girls versus boys.
Okay, nice.
Okay, see, the concept here is the trainer speaks 100 things. Okay, whether the trainer is delivering right or wrong, in order to know, first the participant needs to open the mouth. How can we get to know that something is in their mind? See, unless or until someone speaks out something, do you think that I can scan the entire top floor and then get into that and then identify, okay, this particular slot has got a doubt? See, open up. That's the biggest challenge. People, as long as they don't open up, even if you get a session conducted by Sundar Pichai, okay, only Sundar Pichai will speak. No one else will speak. Doubts can be clarified when they speak more.
Yes.
That's what I feel.
True, sir. It should be always a learner-centric, not the trainer-centric.
So let us make people more interactive. Let us make people more, probably next time onwards, I should put some goodies, like whoever asks a question, I'll give a goodie.
Exactly.
I'm not that rich kid, don't mind.
Virtual chocolates.
Exactly. See, who is going to pay for it?
Virtual chocolates.
Virtual chocolates, yeah, this is good. We'll give a virtual chocolate. See, I'll give a virtual gift like this. So now, overall, the thing was good. I'm repeating this. When someone is delivering a session or saying something, the prime thing is audience are supposed to speak up in any language they wanted to. It can be in English, Telugu or Hindi. We suggest either Hindi or English because they are global and national languages. Anyone can understand. That's the primary thing. And please, as long as we don't speak, the speaker cannot understand whether we are through with the discussion or not. So if it is safe in the Google Drive, it never gets cleared. So it's always important, open up, speak up, interact. My purpose of these sessions is to interact. And that's the reason most of the time I keep away from my sessions. I make someone as a host and I keep silent. Let me see how they handle it. That's a more important thing. I wanted to be a coach now from onwards. I wanted to be a coach outside the ground. I don't want to get into the field. So let the players handle it. If a team player is not responding or reacting, by hook and crook, do something, get him onto the field, get him into the game. That's it. That's important. So trainer is different from a coach. You decide what you want to be, but how you handle people is important. Make the people to open the mouths, speak up, attract them.
That was the reason that I conducted an activity so that they become free and talk.
And at one point of time, I felt you were far better than me. I should accept it. Even 3 days back in one of the sessions, which I was there with a North Indian team, they said like, sir, we learned from you. But I told the speaker, I learned a lot of things from you. Okay. So every day it's a learning. See, I can learn from everyone in this frame. I can learn from Ramohan sir. I can learn from Sangeeta, from Bharat, from Hashmi, from Diana ma'am, everyone. I can learn from everyone. It's all a learning. It's not one person who is a master learner. I don't believe in that. Am I right, sir? Ramohan, sir?
Sure, very much.
Thank you,
And
sir.
as I
In
said
this
as
world,
well,
we have to observe and absorb.
Exactly.
Yes,
We say OA is overaction, but it's observe and absorb.
Wow.
OA is not overaction. Observe and absorb. Now is a good point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Diana ma'am, please.
yes, as I was saying, like trainers are always co-learners.
Right.
So we learn from each other.
Absolutely. So I think that's all for the day. Thank you so much, Sangeeta. Thanks for your time, and thanks to Ramohan sir, Diana Garu, Bharat, Giri sir, and Hashmi. She's always participating in it. She's our regular friend now. She's always been there in every session. Thanks for that. Thanks for being here, and Afreen and everyone, whoever are in this group. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you had a good discussion and learning. Right? Yeah.
2 minutes. I mean, last month I have been conducted one WhatsApp chat. I mean, as your training sessions through Nigerian people. I already have said. Few people are asking what your experience. I will say experience is nothing, but what you are learning from it, what you are gaining knowledge, each and everything is very important. Everyone will say we have 16 years of experience, 17 years of experience, but what we have learned at last, what we have gained knowledge at last is very important, because we are giving each and everything for the people, right?
Yes.
That's why we need to know. Always we need to say, we should not say experience, because we have gained lot much knowledge from others. Still we are learning. Learning is a process. It will not end. It will continue like a jet. It will continue lifelong.
Okay. Diana ma'am, can we conduct a TTT on behalf of our company?
Which company is it, if I may know?
Mine is a management consulting company. So I'll send the details. Can we host a TTT? Can you help us?
Sure. Actually, even I have my own company called Learning Without
We'll do it in
Walls.
collaboration.
Okay, because I have a partner and I need to discuss with him as
Just
well.
discuss with him, or if you have any sessions going on TTT, let us know. Our people will be there.
Sure. No worries.
Right. Just kindly share it on WhatsApp.
Sure. I've already connected with you on WhatsApp. I've pinged you. Yep.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much, everyone. Giri sir, bye. Ramon sir, bye, sir. Bye, everyone. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bharat, plan accordingly, ma'am. Bharat ready? Bharat ready?
He is in another call, sir.
Okay, అమ్మా ఈ వీక్ సెషన్ మొత్తం ఫ్రీ అలే సార్ చెప్పింది ఇయర్లీ సెషన్ ఓకేనా రావని ఇయర్లీ ఓకేనా అది కూడా వి విల్ డిస్కస్ వెబ్సైట్ కోసము సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ ఆన్లైన్ పేపర్ వాటి చాలా చాలా ఉన్నాయి లేదు తర్వాత చెప్తాను మీకు ఓకే డోంట్ వరీ ఓకే డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ మై అమౌంట్స్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ రమ్యారెడ్డి థ్యాంక్ యూ సుప్రజ థ్యాంక్ యూ సంగీత గారు నైస్ టాక్ అండి ట్రైన్ ద ట్రైనర్ యూ విల్ బికమ్ ట్రైన్ ద ట్రైనర్ సూన్
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, one more doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, same me, Ramya.
Yeah, what do you consider the key criteria for training to be effective, ma'am?
It is everything that you know how you create. It depends upon the design that you create in your training. It can be how entertaining, how engaged the students are with you. So only when they are interested, you can do your training, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the activities that you conduct? What is that learning from the activity is more important. And you have to look at each. It is not that every student is equally having the same attention to you. You have to grab all the students. So only
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
activities that you can do. See, everybody is connected with the entertainment, where entertainment is not just joy or something like that, or it is about knowing the pulse of the listener. So you have to know whom you are speaking to, what is their need, and how actively you can make them involved in the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Good Ramya Reddy, good question. Sangeeta madam, who is the inspiration trainer for you? Train the trainer for you?
Sir, adi inside nunchi sir. Ala everle. And
Good.
luckily I found Karthik sir, and I think he gave me this platform to
Good.
like you know to develop myself.
Good. Your confidence is very good. So
Thank
any
you,
questions, Pavani Talli and some Ramya Reddy, Supraj Chaudhary? Sunny, who is Sunny, sir? Okay, Bharat Reddy, plan accordingly. Plan tomorrow session, okay?
Sure. Tomorrow session will be given by
Ramya
Sai.
Good topic. Yes. Okay, madam. Sangeeta madam, try to attend tomorrow session. Ramya Reddy is very, very talented.
Sure sir, sure.
Very active, very hyperactive. Athletic
Okay.
runner. Very talented
Okay.
Very talented
nice.
like you.
Acha, thank you. Sure sir, I'll attend.
So I hope next Supraja Chaudhary and next Pavani Talli Guruvaram fix cheskoma. Pavani Talli.
Okay, sir. Morning.
Okay, ma. Okay, Bharat, can I madam ever record చేస్తున్నారు? Who is recording?
I don't know sir.
Bharat
is recording by Sangeeta ma'am.
I'm doing it. Okay.
Sir,
No, I
host
do
given
not
to
start.
Okay. Okay, ma.
Should I stop it, sir?
Recording is going on.
Hi, it's going on, sir. I'm stopping it.
Yeah, sure. You can stop the recording.